This is Jonathan over with the Schlouch Incorporated WordPress tutorial on adding PDFs to the data sheets area of our services, or adding data sheets to our services, as well as adding a newsletter to the In the News section of the website. I've already logged in to the website in another tab, and right here is the dashboard, and I'm just going to go ahead and go over to Pages. And on the main site, I'm just going to go to the Survey Stakeout area. And notice down here we have a PDF already attached. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to that page and go through the re-upload process of that PDF. I have the PDF saved in my Downloads folder, but you might have a PDF saved to a different folder on your computer, but this will work the same way for that. I want to just go ahead and copy this text here because we're going to use that to show people, give people a link to click on. But what I first want to do is delete this link and update the site so that you kind of see these changes happen and how things are going to look before as well as after. So we're going to just save that, and when that's done we can just hit refresh on our site, and you'll notice that the PDF link is gone. So we're going to go ahead and just assume that we're adding a new link to a page on our site. So I'm going to come down here to the last line and just hit return. Once I do that, then I can go to upload insert and just add media. And since we're adding the media from our computer, I can do one of two things. I can drop the file here by just dragging it into this section, and I'll show you how to do that, or I can select the file from my computer, and this would be similar to just finding an attachment in an email. You would browse through your computer. Once you find that PDF, you would click on it, and then you'll go to the screen that I'll show you. So I'm just going to come down here to my download folder. I have my GPS PDF right here. I'm going to click and drag, and you'll notice the dotted lines turn blue when you go into that section. And this is just telling you that you're in the right place so that you can upload that file. So now that I've dropped that file in, WordPress will upload it. You'll see 100%, and then after a few seconds here, depending on how big the PDF is, it will take a little longer. It will crunch itself. Now you see the PDF has been uploaded, and you notice there's a couple different things here. It just tells you the file name and all that, as well as the date when you've uploaded it. And the key thing that we want to change here is this title. Right now, GPS means nothing to the person when they want to click on that link. So what we're going to do is we're going to paste that text in, download the GPS data sheet. And once I have all that done, I can verify that the link is a PDF right here. I don't want to change any of these, but I want to insert it into the post. So I'm going to hit insert. And once I've done that, the box will go away. And now you see the text that I pasted in, and there's now a hyperlink here. And if I scroll over that hyperlink, you can kind of see just down here in the status bar that the text pops up that it says schlouch.com, WP content uploads 2012 3 GPS1.pdf. So you can see that it's linked there. And what I'm going to do is just hit update. And I notice that the data sheet is there. I'm going to hit refresh. And there you go. Download data sheet is there. If I click on that, depending on how your browser is set up, mine is set up just to open up the PDF right there. You can see the PDF right away. That's pretty much it for the data sheets. The newsletters are done in a slightly different way. So what we're going to do is we're going to hop over to newsletters. And newsletters are time sensitive. So our summer 2012 newsletter right here has some content, and then the newsletter link. And it's time sensitive in that it's created as a post. And so when editing the PDF area there, we're going to come into the post section. And for this one, we're going to look at summer 2012. So we're going to click on that. Now once we're inside our summer 2012, you'll notice we have the download newsletter right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and again copy that text, but I'm going to delete it, and I'm going to hit update. And you'll notice now when I go back over here after this is uploaded, refresh the site, and the link is gone. And so what I want to do is, again, I'm going to hit return. I'm going to do an upload insert. And again, I already have this file saved here to my downloads folder, but this time I'm going to do the select files just to show you kind of a different way that you can get to things. And so what we're going to do is we're going to come over here and go to downloads. Once that opens up, we need to find the summer 2012 PDF. A ton of stuff here. So let me scroll down through. Summer 2012. I'm going to hit choose. It's going to go through the upload process again. It's going to crunch its thing. And you'll notice again, summer 2012 is right here. So we want to replace that text there with download newsletter. You can make that more descriptive if you want, but that's really the only place you need to fill in any information. Just want to verify again that the PDF has been uploaded here, summer 2012. And you notice there's a 1 after it. That's just because I've already uploaded one PDF and it's recognizing that it's the exact same and just appending the number 1 after it. But you don't have to worry about that because now we just have 2 of these PDFs uploaded, and that's not going to hurt anything. It's not going to affect file size or anything like that. So we're going to do insert into post. Download newsletter link is here. When you are writing a post for a newsletter, one of the major differences is that you want to make sure that you have as well is this category section over here. The reason is because based on which category you choose here will determine where this post is placed. Obviously, if we choose newsletter, that's going to fall on this page. If we choose an employment one, that's going to fall on this page. And then I believe we had news, which is also going to be on this page. So news items posted there. So we're going to just click, make sure newsletters is clicked, and then we're going to hit, and I should also say you can have multiple categories. So if you want someone to click in the news and they get the newsletters, you could also click that there. But since we haven't done that in the past, I'm just going to leave that as newsletters. I'm going to hit update, and you'll notice now that we've, let's see, we're saved. Refresh. Let's go back to the newsletter there. Computer's running a backup process to my external hard drive, so things have been a little slow here. Sorry about that. And now we're just going to click download newsletter, and notice the PDF opens. There it is. So that, in a nutshell, is how to upload PDFs for both the data sheets as well as the newsletters. If you have any questions, as always, you can email me at Jonathan, Jonathan, .ober, O-B-E-R, at me.com. So jonathan.ober@me.com. Thank you, and have a great day.